first day of July. But late nyo ito mapapanood. Tingnan nyo yung katabi namin. Did you hear this, son? Hindi namin ito narinig na nag-park dito. So, ang ganda ng tulog namin. Ano pa lang, 7. Ginising na kami nito ng 7. Ako pa lang ginising yung 7. Ayan, ginigising ko itong batang ito. Papa, come on. Dilim, diba? Di niya makita. May pailaw tayo. Ay.
I'll see you.
No, they're over there. Hinubad ko yung suot ko kagabi, yung ating PJ, kasi ang init ng heater namin, kaya tingnan nyo, para wala tayong suot. But yeah, boys, come on, before it starts raining. Uulan daw kasi sabi ni Jan. Baba, let's go to the toilet. Sabi ko kay Jan, isama ko dun si Holly, magugas kami ng kipay, dalhin ko yung mineral water dito. Come on, Baba, kasi hindi kayo makakaligo. Come on, so we can change na, Baba. No, yung ano yan, yung heater. Enough na ni Johnny boy. Come on, Baba. Tingnan niyo siya. Favorite niyang PJs. Good morning, darling. Come on. So we can wash our pepe. Come on. And the toilet. Come on. May toilet kasi dito. Let's go. And change now. Nice sleep. Look at this, Baba. We didn't hear this. See?
That's a truck.
Trucks are lots of cars. Come on. Huh? Here, come on here. Look at your jacket. Come so I can fix the bed. Dito na lang yung mga labahan natin. Ilagay mo sa... Diba? What are you doing?
Grab you socks.
Socks? Huh? Yeah, in here now. Come on.
I'll give you my side.
That's right, that'll be.
Oh yeah, take over my bed.
Ang likot nito para tong reel. Fix na natin yung bed natin.
Well, there should be black ones there.
Yeah, you want black? Yeah.
No, they're on top.
Oh, here.
The TJs.
Okay. Ayun, ang socks nila halos magkakapareho ng size nila. Okay, Baba, can you hold this? Hold this one, please. Tuesday. Yeah, kahapon Monday.
It's gonna be in Sydney.
The cyclone?
Yeah.
Oh my
And then
God.
it comes to us all the way to Melbourne.
Oh my God. Wala, narinig niyo yun? May cyclone na paparating. Nasa ano na raw? Is it in Sydney now?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Still in Yamba.
In Yamba?
No, it's not in Melbourne.
You said it was in Yamba.
Kuya. Ay, ang fresh ng ating nakapaghugas tayo, nakapaghilamos. May sink doon, tapos nakalagay doon sa sink. Hindi ko na kayo nasama. May nakalagay doon sa sink na it's not safe to drink the water. So, may dala kaming mineral. Right, baby? The mineral water I use for my face and my... It's cold, isn't it, Baba? It's cold. I have your brush here. And nakapag... Baba, your brush.
is it wet?
Because I'm not sure.
Also,
On TikTok.
I just saw it.
I saw it on
Same.
TikTok last night. That
Half so.
all morning you did. Good morning, people.
Morning.
Morning, verb. Another day. To travel. You had a good sleep, huh? Or we didn't even hear that car. The big truck there.
What were you doing then?
When?
Just saying.
Yeah, with the
that,
toes. May pinipicture dun eh.
that clip half hanging out.
I have to charge this phone because I need. Kuya, can I borrow some? Yeah, he have 70. I have to charge this up. This is flat. Yung isa
Oh,
kong
I thought
phone.
you didn't charge
No, it's not charging.
that. It's slow charging.
Because I need the clips from there. Ay, nakuha din natin yung brush. Ang galing nitong brush na to. Ay, umuulan na ha. It's raining.
Love, I never knew until the day that I met you. Colors were gray, melodies sung, sounded the same. The sun, stars, and moon, all feeling brighter, worth feeling new. Do what you do. You took my days, filled them with light. Now I can say, baby, it's our time together. Girl, I wanna live my life with you forever. When you're with me, I get better. Yeah, I'm gonna make it through highs and lows, any weather. It's a time together. It's a time together. I'm gonna make it through any weather. Just close your eyes, tell me.
7 hours to where? Where?
From us to
No,
Gran
sir.
Canaria.
No, it's
7
not.
hours?
No,
Yes, it is.
it's not, Saka. We're gonna pass Melbourne.
Yeah, I know.
From Melbourne, it's 5 hours.
Yeah.
So we're still in New South Wales, right, hon?
Yeah, but
Yeah. Nasa Aubrey na pala kami, guys. Gusto ni Sak, diretsuhin na ng pagbiyahe namin. Hindi pwede kasi malayo pa tayo. Wala pa nga tayo sa Melbourne. Time is 10:23. Don't call me Pony, I'm your mother.
it is 7 hours.
17?
7.
No, it's not 7
Yes,
hours.
it is.
I don't know where you're looking.
Because we're at Albury.
Yeah, we're in Aubrey now.
Are we past the border?
Yes, we did. No, not yet. We haven't. New South Wales pa tayo eh. And kanina, hindi ko na na-vlog. Naglalaro sila yung bato-bato pick. Nag-rosary kasi ako kanina. Ang ingay nila. Tapos si Holy Shit dyan, nagkanta na naman silang dalawa. And nag-stop na pala kami. Kumuha sila ng drinks. Yun nga eh. Hindi ko sila na-vlog kasi nag-rosary ako nung mga ganap nilang yun. Hindi natin na-vlog.
Yeah, we could get home.
Gusto niya nang umuwi.
10.
It's no, not yet. Cause where are we stopping at tonight? Melbourne.
5 hours. Going past Adelaide.
Mag-fuel muna tayo. Yun ang pinoproblema ni Jen. Why? It's not empty yet. It's in. Nasa ano kami, half na yung gasolina natin. Na full memory tayo. Nasa Victoria na pala tayo. Katatawid lang natin sa Victoria border. gamit kong phone. Magta-transfer sana ako kaso lowbat yung ating laptop. Hindi siya na-charge dun sa caravan. So, tinatry ko dito sa car. Puno na. Puno. So, magpa-fuel lang kami dito sa United.
Would you get in there, Dad?
Where?
Yeah. I'll go to that end one.
Oh, yeah, then you know that one way thing.
Straight out.
Sunny pala pero 7 degrees outside. So, malamig. Kanina 3. You are fit here? Yeah.
I don't think
What? Diesel?
I'm going to get out of there.
Tayo kasya. Kasi ang haba natin, pag nagliko, may hit natin yung curve. So, punta tayo sa kabila siguro. Why don't you go where the trucks are, Han?
They're all on that one side.
Oh. Kasi meron din doon, kaso yung truck,
So, this and one.
the end one, Han.
That one there where it says
It's too tight.
Too tight. So, ano na? We're not?
Huh?
We're not getting gas?
Yeah.
Yeah, here.
It's like it's on the other
Yeah.
side.
Yeah, mag-wait tayo kasi...
Yeah,
Oh, so, dito tayo kung nasan yung mga truck. Oh, trucks only? We're okay?
yeah.
Okay. Tingnan nyo yung laptop ko, guys. Sina-charge ko siya dito sa aking ano to, portable charger. Naririnig ko siya pero hindi siya mag-on. Uy. Okay ka lang ba? Naririnig nyo yung fan? Ay, ano ba yan? Huwag mo sabihin nag-give up ka din. Ano ba?
the fan means it's too hot, Mum.
It's not hot. Why?
Because that's what Mum is.
I didn't use it all night.
It's because it. I don't know. Show?
I can hear the fan.
Yeah. Can I say
So is it gonna be alright?
Pasta? I don't know.
So sabi ni Jan, masarap daw yung pagkain pagbayad niya. Parang masarap daw yung mga pagkain dito. So tingin tayo, pie face. Handcrafted oven fresh. Okay. Si Holly lang, yung boys, gusto nila mag KFC pero tingnan natin kung makahanap tayong KFC on the way. I might get hot chocolate, my love. Alright. Okay. Oh, looks good nga. Hot food, hot chocolate ako. So, nag-order ako ng large na hot chocolate. Ito kay Holly. Chicken and more chicken. Yeah. This one?
That's it?
Yes. And where's your lollies? That lollies?
This is.
Yes, got it. Okay. In fairness, masarap siya. Hinihintay lang namin yung hot chocolate. Let's go, Holly. So just go in the bus. I think you can. Wala.
Have a look at the end, Zach.
Ang gamit na natin iPhone kasi hindi tayo makapag-transfer kasi yung laptop natin maingay yung kanyang pantas hindi nag-on. Hoy, you got phone from daddy.
Righto.
Daddy's one is phone back, Baba.
Huh? How much for can I go?
Guys, I got a triple push pop, but
Yeah, you did good.
please like 8-1.
Oh, it's 3.
Yeah.
It's you're good.
Shut the door.
1, 2. Hello.
Hello, madlang people.
Mabuhay.
Your phone. I don't have your phone.
Holly gave it.
Dad.
Funny?
Gusto niya na raw dire-diretso umuwi.
Oh, you got that?
Where are you going?
Getting a drink.
Lamig.
Malamig.
I know.
Sobrang malamig. Say that right? That's
Yes. Yotse.
What? I'm looking.
Alright, go order na kuya. Here.
No, I want a small original tennis box and with some.
Yee. Dito na sila. Ito ang order namin. Thank you. One, two, three. 10 nuggets. Iwan na natin si Jan. Nasa toilet siya. Ah, si Kuya. Hintayin niya na. Yeah, it's alright. Kuya's there. Alright, that's it.
Just in case.
Yes. Okay. Are we going? Are we get? Is Daddy eating?
Dad's eating.
Si Jan 10 nuggets, di ba? Ang ano na ng camera natin. Phone na yung gamit ko, guys. Meron tayong spicy chicken. Nakuha ko yung may
Oh, I got the
buto.
spicy boneless
Did you?
with the burger.
Let me see. Ah, mali yung na-order natin. Dapat spicy, boneless to.
Remember? Mom.
Say that, can I have a little bit to remember?
Yeah, just the one I want. Yeah.
Oh, you want this?
Can we swap?
No, I only have two.
Ah.
Yeah.
No, it's alright. Mali kasi ako.
I'll give you one for a wicked wing.
Yeah. You can have two of my spicy one. Yeah, that's the one. Ito dating order ko. Swapping niya. Wow. Ito dapat yung aking order. Ewan kung bakit yun. Nakita ko kasi wicked wings. Hindi ko nakita yung boneless. Why you didn't tell me, Kuya?
But you didn't ask me what one did I get. And I thought you wanted that, so.
I want this one. Ang oras nga.
Wait, what even happened? What is that?
What time is it yan? Hindi ko alam. Yung phone ko ang gamit.
Then what is that?
Jack, what time?
That was the time.
Thank you. Baba, what are you drinking? Ah.
Pepsi freeze.
12:40.
12:40.
Oh,
What?
oh,
Super spicy?
no. Brain, throat free.
Throat free.
How much did you sip? And I'll do it.
I got brain freeze. Oh, yun, may McDonald's. Oh.
How do you get brain freeze? It doesn't go to your brain.
Yeah, but I didn't get it.
Hindi ko bet to. You have, if you want more, yeah, ha?
I'll have some.
You want some, yeah? Want it?
Is it spicy?
Yeah.
I have a drink with me. I can just sip it.
You're good, Han?
Wait, get off, get off. I've lost some tissues.
Here, ha, Holly? Anim pa naman to, hindi ko bet. Kay Kuya na lang. So, ang kinain ko lang yung kay Kuya.
This is a drumstick.
Yeah.
That's good.
Kipirin natin to. Kasi baka mag-full din itong phone. Wala na tayong pang vlog.
Finished?
No.
Ha? Do you have Fanta?
No.
You get the or...
Me.
No, no.
Mum, this one's good. Promise, trust.
I cannot drink in...
Yes, you can. Today.
Nice.
Man, try that. Try that.
No.
Try it.
Put that. Putting this at back.
Pepsi raspberry good.
Like that.
You can try that. I already had that.
Can I try yours?
Try it bigger.
Hi, Holly.
Finish your rubbish that. Been over there.
This is so good,
I
man.
didn't eat nothing here, yeah.
What?
But I like yours, huh?
Wait, let's see. Look, don't you want one?
Spicy, spicy.
I just had one from Kuya.
Yeah, I'll put it in one of them.
I want the boneless one. Babab, can I have a drink, please? Thank you. I'm just gonna have salad later.
So flat.
The best, that one.
Yeah.
Yung Pepsi kasi, tama si Zach flat. Ano na, Bab? Okay, malayo-layo pa tayo. Si Zach gusto niyang idiretso, si Jan ayaw din kasi gusto ni Jan rest. Rest. Kasi ginawa namin last 3 years ago yata. 2 araw lang. Ngayon, 3 days natin gagawin. I need water. What's the problem, Zach?
I didn't get my coleslaw.
Yeah, hindi siya binigyan ng coleslaw.
Logan.
I can't.
Walang
Yeah,
mashed
no.
potato kasi pita-change niya sa coleslaw.
Right.
Yeah.
Tapos, wala yung box niya. All good, kids?
Tissue.
Tissue. Back to the road tayo. Traffic. Papasok na itong Melbourne. Mga an hour pa. Umuulan na and ayan, nakikita na natin ang city of Melbourne. Yeah.
Do you know where you're going, Dad?
Ayan, welcome to Melbourne. And nagpabook kami sa
The,
Caravan Park para magstay tonight. Sa Ballarat, right, babe?
Yeah, Ballarat.
Highway somewhere there. Nag-stop siya and tumawag
Ballarat. Right.
para magpabook tayo. Where are we going, Yani? What exit?
Yummy.
M1.
M1 what? Geelong?
Yeah, that one. And it says M1 2. It says for 12 kilometers though, Dad.
12 kilometers daw, Daddy. Ayan. Pupunta na dito yung
Look at all those
ulan.
houses.
Ha?
Look at all those houses.
Well, hindi tayo dadaan sa city, Melbourne. Tingnan yung traffic na dito. What time is it yan?
It's 12:10.
12:10.
12:10.
No, 2:10.
2:10. Kuya, we had lunch at 12. So 2:10. Mamaya magiging traffic pa lalo. Oops.
Love, I never knew until the day that I met you. Colors were gray, melodies sung, sounded the same. The sun, stars, and moon all feeling brighter, breath feeling new. Do what you do. You took my days, filled them with light. Now I can say, baby, it's our time together. Girl, I wanna live my life with you forever. When you're with me, I get better. Yeah, I'm gonna make it through highs and lows, any weather. It's a time together. It's a time together. I'm gonna make it through any weather. Just close your eyes, tell me your dreams, all that's inside, all that you need. Hope for a future, beautiful view. Show me the new. 'Cause when you're with me,
Ayan, traffic na.
cars coming there.
Hmm? No,
Just get on.
you're good here. Stay.
It goes.
Fuck them. She's locked up.
This is worst traffic daw sabi ni Jan.
Yeah, this can do. What's the time?
3?
It's 2:30.
Yeah, so you should have better.
Yeah, because 4 or 5 that will be worse. Kasi yung mga palabas na ng
It's
ano,
red
work.
and yellow.
Red and yellow, yeah? Tingnan nyo yung likod namin. Traffic na din.
Look at all the rubbish.
Yeah, Melbourne is dirty. Daming rubbish sa gilid.
Car per thing.
Yeah.
It's one of them.
Tingnan nyo yung traffic hanggang doon.
All the cars.
Kadyot-kadyot lang ang ating takbo. Ayan, lumuwag na. Hindi ko alam kung makikita yung kanina doon na vlog ko ata or hindi. Ang layo ng traffic, ang haba.
We were all going in. That's why it all gets stopped.
Yeah, it's merging. From here to Adelaide, 700 miles.
Kilometers.
Kilometers. 700 kilometers, sorry.
When I'm with you, girl, there ain't nothing we can do. One for the ages, 100 proof. We'll never.
Umuulan na guys. And si Holly gising na. Si Kuya tapos na mag-navigate kaya ayan, nag-nap na rin. Palitan na sila. Isa tulog. Si Holly naman ang gising. Pagas lang kami dito sa Mobile. Pagpagas na tayo si Kuya, tulog pa din. Si Sak gising na, uminom na ng tubig. Umulan na guys, oh what na. Oops! May tire! Oh! Nakunan ko ba? He's still going on. Ayan siya, oh. Yung tire niya. Malapit na tayo sa Caravan Park kung saan tayo magstay tonight.
Town, let me just straight home.
Yeah, andito na tayo. Ayan, Big 4.
Turn right, then the destination is
On your right. On your left, on your right.
Turn right, and the destination is on your left.
Oh, okay. Oh, Zach, there's a jumping pillow, Holly.
You like on me when
Mag-check-in
you're
lang
sleeping?
siya. Here he is. Nakapag-check-in na tayo. It's not far?
I already know the toilet's a bag. Have a look at it.
Why? Where? There, the toilet's there.
Yeah. Okay. Yung mirror namin above above sa ano sa kung saan niya
We need
tinap
a
yung
key
key.
to get in
Where?
to the toilet.
Nah.
No?
There's a gym there.
Where's the gym?
Right,
Zach?
right.
Oh, yeah, there is a gym, but I cannot use
this
it.
is so bad. What's going on?
Zachary, we're just gonna stay not even one day, just one night. Big 4.
It's so close.
Yan yung ibang mga caravan, may cabins.
Can I
Ah.
get out?
Sabi ni Jay, hindi niya raw i-unhook yung ano.
No, not home.
Yeah, hindi
No, but
namin
do I need to get out?
Yeah.
i-unhook yung caravan. Ay, yung car sa caravan. Para bukas, drive lang tayo.
When you get past
I'll just go up here and I should be right. Okay, go.
Ayun lang yung entrance, guys. Doon tayo pumasok. Umikot lang tayo para madali ang pag-park ng
Good.
caravan. Set. That's it. Where you going, Papa?
Jumping pillow.
Naririnig niyo ba yung laptop?
Reset it. How do you turn it off?
That, just long pressed. Nagtingin ako sa TikTok and ginaya ko yung mga same case ng laptop ko. Hindi nag-work sa akin na i-press daw yung command, control, and
Wait, what?
the power.
What do you press?
This one. Control. Press all together. 1, 2, and then the power. Yeah, 1, 2. Rinig nyo? Ay, my God. Paano na tayo makapag-edit? Paano ang trabaho natin?
Sa buhay mo.
Si Kuya, food is life.
No, you're not. I want one.
One of each.
Okay. One of each. You want one? I might just have one. I'll just sacrifice.
The toilet seats are freezing.
Why did you sit?
Because I couldn't.
Did you wash your hands? Dito na kami
Mom, it feels so good.
Hinit muna ni Jan yung caravan for 10 minutes bago kayo pumasok kasi sobrang lamig. What time is it?
Working. So?
No, you have to have the charger like me and plug it up. One of those things.
What time is it now? 9:51 na guys.
Where's the charger?
Hey, he doesn't have one of those.
9:51.
Where's yours?
Okay, let's close the vlog, Holly.
Oh, hang on.
So yun na yung vlog natin guys. Thank you. Dito tayo matutulog for tonight. Okay, let's go. Please like.
Please subscribe if you haven't yet.
See you on the next vlog. Good night. Si Kuya. Kain is life.
Because